Kiddo Pop channel.
I'm here.
Hello my creative and artistic friends. Today we're going to draw a baby shark. But not just any baby shark. It's a special one. We'll add a Santa hat, a mustache, and a beautiful Christmas tree. Are you ready? Grab your pencils and colors. Let's get started. First, let's start by drawing baby shark. Now, let's move on to the Christmas tree. Let's add decorations to make everything look fun. Add some presents under the tree. Great! Now it's coloring time!